Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainments. If you've never been to my channel before, I get happy when I get a box. And the reason why I get so happy is there's always something good in that box. And this box got a battery, so we know it's taking. And I get to use my knife. Let's open it up. See. Woo, cut like butter. Cut like butter. Bye-bye. Okay, let's see. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, you don't need that. Okay, this is called a white noise machine. It would be really good to show because with the world opening up and people's going back to work and stuff like that, their clock is off a little bit. And now they have to be back on track of a different time period. And it may be harder for them to go to sleep. So I thought this would be really great. Let's see what's inside. And it looks like a disc. And I'm going to do up close on this. As well as if you've never been to my channel before, I don't do anything tech without reading the instructions. So I'm going to read the instructions and then I'm going to really get into what this sound machine does. But let's just look at it. It's round, it's lightweight, and it has a battery. However, this battery is rechargeable. So if you notice, there's a little tag here, and I will pull that tag once I read the instructions because I like to have rechargeable stuff. It does have a volume. It seems nice. Easy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons, and it does come with a rechargeable cord. Back with this sound machine. That's the play, pause, volume up, volume down, forward, reverse. This is a light for on, dimming. Back is where you charge it, and this is your on and off button, and this is your timer. Let's see how loud it is. Now I do have a little light on so I could get ahead and see. And let's check out some sounds. So. Let's try out some more sounds. It's amber, pink. I don't know if that sounds really good to sleep in. That sounds like an ocean. Like outside animals. Oh, I don't know if I can sleep with that. But it is birds. And you can make it very low. That's one good thing about it. Has a variety of sounds because certain people could go to sleep with louder sounds than others. Let's change the amber. That's just the clock ticking. Now this is hilarious. I don't know who could go to sleep with that sound. Or this one. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more me and my things and my stuff and things.